Hi guys, welcome back to another video, Simple G1 Tech. Today I'm going to do a tutorial about how to install MIUI 10 on any Redmi devices without unlocking your bootloader and without the Twrp. So guys, let's get started.
Audio Jungle.
So guys, this is MIUI install on this thing, MIUI 10. So it's good, battery backup, everything on this. So I'll make the video on the review purpose. So I'm testing on this device, what's the bugs, what's the problem on it, everything, etc. So this tutorial I'm going to say how to install this thing, Redmi 5A MIUI 10. So this, as you can see, is a Redmi 5A. So it can easy to install without bootloader and without unlocking your device. I mean unlocking the bootloader. Okay. So guys, first of all, you should make sure to back up your device. You may lost your files and you can get the files back. I'm completing erasing this device. I'm completely for flash to this app only. So guys, let's try to undo it. So go to your settings first. So settings, go to your about phone, and about phone, click system update and click the three buttons. So click on it and choose the update package. So I will be on file manager, so go to file manager. So I copy one easy on via share it. So I save it on share it, will be on files. So click that Rom and says, and they'll say connect to Wi-Fi. So I already connect with my Wi-Fi, so it says that getting information. So we'll wait for 5 minutes maximum. So and kind of revert to MI version to 5A in global version. That means 8.12 will be erase your data. First of all, I told you now we should back up your data, will erase your complete data. So and see, and you normally update your devices. Yeah, it's booting up, it will take a little more time. So successfully installed on MIUI 10. I choose as English India and choose your religion. So I kept India. So where's India? So India, and it says setting in religion and connect your Wi-Fi network. So I connected my Wi-Fi network, terms and conditions, checking the SIM card. So skip and insert a SIM card. So checking in, and welcome to Redmi 5A. So copy your data, will go to you checking for your updates and everything, etc. So and so you'll ask Google account. So I am skipping about it. So I'm skipping everything. So go to install everything and continue, blah blah blah. So all set, finishing starts, and you are go to my cloud. So first of all, allow everything which gave your system preferences. They will talk you my cloud, and you will back up all your data, and then setup completed. So we'll load your apps and stuff like that. Okay guys, if you like this video, please put like and share your friends. If any questions, please relate on this guy, make comment down below. So and follow our social networks, links will be on the description below. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. So guys, see you in next video. Bye.